It's in America where we innovate in aviation. And I think we all recognize aviation is changing and changing very quickly. And the question becomes, are we going to continue to lead in aviation? And we're going to look at eVTOLs and drones and supersonic flight. All are radically changing at this moment in time. And the country and the companies that are the greatest innovators are the ones that are going to win. So that's why we're here today. Today we're unveiling the first ever national strategy for advanced air mobility.
So nothing goes well without the support of industry and advocates that make it very clear to us where we need to focus our attention. So it's my honor today to have three of those gentlemen with us today. If you would please join me on the stage. Here today with us is NBAA Advanced Air Mobility Roundtable Chairman Matt Byrd.
Thank you, Secretary Duffy, Deputy Assistant Edwards, Director Katsios, Chairman Carr, Deputy Administrator Rocha, Chris, Congressman Mann, and our partners across government and industry. I'm honored to be here today on the 122nd anniversary of that amazing flight. And I'm filled with inspiration because of knowing the indomitable spirit, the American spirit and determination that fueled that is at work today, and we're going to lead. We thought it was impossible, but it unites us today behind DOT's vision for the next revolution in aviation, one that will redefine on-demand air mobility. I'm encouraged also because 97 years ago, my great uncle Admiral Byrd flew an airplane and discovered the South Pole. The spirit that brought that together is here today. So on behalf of the National Business Aviation Association and the Advanced Air Mobility Roundtable, I want to thank Congress for directing this plan, the Department of Transportation for delivering the national strategy, coordinated across 25 federal agencies that blazes a path forward for the safe integration of advanced air mobility into the national airspace system. What's most powerful about this plan is not just the vision that it sets beyond 2035, but the message that it sends that the United States intends to lead the world in manufacturing and deployment of AAM. Industry stands ready to partner with the DOT, FAA, states, local communities to move from demonstrations to durable operations, leveraging existing infrastructure, a strong domestic supply chain, and modernized air traffic control system. NBAA and our AAM Roundtable look forward to helping to ensure this bold vision takes flight for Americans across the country and throughout the world. Thank you very much.